Hi all, welcome to misy 5360 Business Intelligence for Spring 2015. I am Dr. Kakuli Bandopadhyay, your instructor for this class. I go by Dr. B. I'll be doing two things today. Number one, I will walk you over the syllabus for this class. Number two, I will also introduce you to the Blackboard shell for this course. Read the syllabus very carefully. All information about this course is listed in the syllabus. My office hours, my phone number, my office number, my email are given in the syllabus. So read it from the syllabus. And I will discuss the course objectives next. The way I will be defining business intelligence to you is the user-centered process of exploring data relationships and trends. BI will help us to improve our overall decision making. So basically we are dealing with data relationships among data, trends, and then what are we going to do with that data. This involves several things. First of all, accessing the data which is stored in a database or a data warehouse, and then analyzing the data. By analyzing the data, we derive insights, we draw conclusions, and we have to be able to communicate the findings. With the findings, we will bring in positive changes within the enterprise. BI or business intelligence is comprised of four major product segments. One is query tools, then the reporting tools, advanced decision support systems, and executive support systems. In this course, we will use SAP Business Information Warehouse module, that is a major enterprise software application for business intelligence. We will also use analytical processes. We will use extensive multimedia reporting, and we will use data warehousing solutions. Also, we will use SAP Business Objects Enterprise 4.0. Additionally, we will also use Tableau 8.1, which is a data visualization software. And then we will also be using Teradata Student Network for this course. The first 7 weeks of the semester, we will be learning about the concepts of business intelligence. We will gain knowledge about data warehousing, data mining, text mining, business reporting, web analytics, big data, etc. From week 8 to 16, we will be learning about SAP BW and SAP Business Objects. Okay, from the syllabus, please read ADA compliance, emergency procedures, academic continuity, drop withdraw dates, and then teaching materials. You need to have the book Business Intelligence and Analytics, Systems for Decision Support, 10 electronic edition by Sharda, Dillon and Tarban 2015 Prentice Hall. Class notes are available via Blackboard. Recommended software is SAP BW, Business Object, Microsoft Access, Excel and Tableau 8.2. You do not have to buy any software for this class. SAP and Tableau are downloadable. I'll give you information about how to download SAP and Tableau. Microsoft products are available in the college lab, or you can use OpenOffice. Course requirements, exams. 2 exams will be administered. You have to take the exams via ProctorU. So exams will be proctored. I have given you information about ProctorU here in the syllabus. Okay, the final exam will have 2 parts. Part 1 will be multiple choice, which will be taken via ProctorU, and the part 2 will be SAP hands-on. For part 2, you do not have to have ProctorU. Assignments. There will be several assignments, SAP and non-SAP, for this class. All these assignments have to be turned in by the deadline. Any assignment turned in past the deadline will automatically have 5 points deducted. Discussion board. You need to post 10 times in the discussion board. I will create the thread and you have to post in those threads, and each will count for 5 points. This is our grading scheme for the semester. Exam 1 multiple choice 50 points. Exam to be taken via ProctorU. SAP assignments 160 points. Other assignments 140 points. Final exam part 1 and part 2 together 100 points. Discussion posting 50 points. The total points for the course is 500. 450, that is 90% and above, is A, 80% and above is B, 70% and above is C, and so on. Please read the computer requirements. For SAP to work, you have to have a machine with Windows 7 or 8 and Internet Explorer browser 9 or 10. No other configuration will work. Online course support. Please read about Blackboard availability. SAP help. We have in-house help. Mrs. Lee Simmons is our SAP coordinator. I have given you her information, and Shanita is our student worker. I have given you her information also. Please contact them if you need SAP help. You also have me. Okay. Academic honesty. It is very important that you maintain academic integrity in online classes. Please do not submit anyone else's file. Do not give your file to anybody else. Netiquette is also very important, that you follow certain guidelines. While communicating in an online class, respect the right of each person to disagree with others. Treat people the same as you would in a face-to-face class. Respect other people's times. Do not use all caps. Reread your postings before sending them. Always think before you write. Respond respectively, so on and so forth. Course attendance policy. It is your responsibility to make sure you are enrolled in this course. If at any point you decide to drop the class, it is your responsibility to make sure you officially drop. Any student who stops attending class and does not officially drop the course will be given an F. At the end of the semester, then I have listed your course content and assignments. So week 1, you can see here your to-do list. Week 2, you can also see your to-do list, and so on and so forth. So this is the syllabus for this course, and I urge you to spend some time on your syllabus. Okay, next I will walk you over the Blackboard shell for this course. So this is the first page, which is the getting started page. You can see the syllabus, the welcome letter, the virtual office hours, and the tips for success here. Tips for success are very important. Start your work early, at least 24 hours before the due date. Ask for help. Start early enough to be able to ask for help. Submit work by deadline. You can always submit before the deadline. Assignments turned in after the deadline automatically have 5 points per day deducted. Never submit someone else's file. Never share your file with anyone. Never ask for a file from anyone. Okay? On first week, you will see that I have given you the learning outcomes for week 1 and then the to-do list. The to-do list is here, and then if you go further down, you will see where to introduce yourself, and then I have given you the chapter slides for chapter 1, then the study guide for chapter 1. I'll give you a video for chapter 1. From chapter, similarly in week 2, same thing, I give you the learning outcomes for week 2, then I come down to the to-do list, and this is where you need to concentrate on. What to do list. Okay, read chapter 3, look at the chapter 3 study guide, watch chapter 3 video, post in the discussion board, review the PowerPoint slides on OLAP versus OLTP, review data warehousing concepts, review dimensional modeling and star schema, and submit assignment 1. So you can see I have given you the chapter slides, I have given you the study guides, I have given you the video, then the discussion board. And what are we discussing in week 2? We will be discussing, get into here, we will be discussing case 2.2 from page 66 of the book. So this is our discussion topic for week 2. Then our assignment is here. Similarly, all of the weeks in the shell are complete and are given here. Once again, I welcome you to misy 5360. Let us all have a productive semester. Thank you.